£65 on this cleanser, it better be good. I genuinely don't know what kind of magic is infused in these Skims dresses. It literally tastes like drinking nail polish remover to me. What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by the title, in today's video, we're gonna be trying out every Kardashian / Jenner brand. I've literally had this video idea on my notes on my phone in my video ideas list for the longest time, and I actually recently saw Lord DIY do this video, which really kind of just reminded me of this video idea. So if you guys want to check out her video, I'll link it in the description. Go check it out. But yeah, the premise of this video is that I'm gonna be trying out one item from each brand that I could actually get my hands on. A lot of the brands didn't actually ship to the UK, which I was gutted about, but the ones that I could get my hands on, I'm really excited to try out. Some of the brands I've tried in the past, some of them are gonna be my first time. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first product we are gonna be trying out from the Kardashian family is one that I'm really excited to try because it has very recently launched, and that is the brand called Skkn by Kim. Obviously it's her skincare brand, and I've seen quite a lot of mixed opinions about this on the internet. I mean, at a first glance, it's definitely very much a high-end, bougie kind of looking skincare brand. So the prices are obviously as you would expect. I mean, it's like £45 for a cleanser. The eye cream is like £78. Now, I've seen reviews of this brand on YouTube from people that actually know what they're talking about when it comes to skincare. They actually look at the ingredients and they can understand it. I am not one of those people, so I'll be the first to put my hand up and say that. But obviously throughout my life, I have tried a lot of skincare, and I do have quite problematic skin, so I do know what a good product is when I see one. I have seen a lot of people say that the ingredients of the products in this brand are decent, but still they are a little bit overpriced for what it is. I hope you guys can understand that I didn't buy the whole brand to try out because the whole bundle is like £600 almost, and I am not prepared to spend that kind of money on skincare. So I did end up picking up one of the products just to not be excessive because I have a lot of skincare already. So we're gonna be trying out the cleanser in this video. This is how it has arrived. It has just come in a plain box. I have opened this and all I could see was this. As soon as I realized what this was, I literally stopped there because I wanted to unbox it on camera. So as you guys can see, it's got like a Skkn by Kim sticker. We're just gonna rip this bad boy open. I'm sorry, Kim, I have just completely ripped her face. Okay, so inside, this is what the box looks like. You get a little leaflet that basically shows you the whole range and tells you a little bit about it on the back. And then we have the product. Oh, wow. I did not expect this. So like I said, I have picked up the cleanser, which looks like this. This was £44 and then the shipping was £19. So in total, I actually spent £63 on this cleanser. £65 on this cleanser, it better be good. So first things first, the packaging is really cool. I love like the minimalistic kind of vibe to it. It's basically just made of like cardboard, which I mean, I really, really like that. So this is what the cleanser looks like inside. Wow, look at this packaging. This is so cool. I love how minimalistic and very aesthetically pleasing this is. I mean, I am not going to be worried about this looking out of place in my bathroom. So as you guys can see, this just has like a generic kind of pump. So let's just squirt a little bit of this product onto my hand. Okay, so in terms of consistency, it's quite like thick and gloopy, and it feels almost like a creamy, milky kind of moisturizer. It has a very subtle smell of almost like oats. That's the only smell I can really pick up, but let's just apply this straight to my face and see what it feels like on. Obviously, I don't usually wash my face like this in front of the camera, so I'm gonna have to like wash this off in a sec over the sink. But I just thought I would cleanse my face on camera so you guys can see how it goes on. Okay, so far it feels very nice. It feels very moisturizing, which I'm really, really liking. And I mean, it almost just like disappeared into nothing. I just grabbed a little bit of water to kind of see how it reacts with water, if it like lathers up or anything. Okay, it's definitely lathering up a little bit. Okay, that's pretty much it for my little demo. I'm just gonna wash this off and see how my skin feels afterwards. Okay, so I've just washed off the cleanser. Now, obviously, after using it just once, I'm not gonna be able to give you guys a very in-depth review. I don't really know if my skin is gonna react to this. I don't know if it's gonna be decent for my skin in the long run, but all I can say is that having used it just once, I do feel like it's a pretty mediocre cleanser. I mean, yeah, the consistency was nice, but at the same time, it doesn't feel any more special than some of the other cleansers that I already own from the drugstore. All I'm gonna say is, yes, I do like the product. However, it is the most expensive cleanser I've ever purchased in my life. But honestly, if you don't have that kind of money to splurge on a cleanser, I would 100% just recommend going for like Cetaphil, because I use that every single day and it's perfectly fine. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm probably gonna give Skkn like a 4. All right, so I've just popped on a little bit of makeup to kind of make myself look a little bit more alive, and we are now gonna be trying out the next Kardashian/Jenner brand. I'm sure you guys can already see this coming, but the next brand we're gonna be trying out is Kylie Cosmetics by Kylie Jenner. I have to say, there's not really that many products that I have tried from Kylie Cosmetics. I've obviously tried the lip kits when they first came out, and honestly, that is where Kylie's brand has originated. It has started out with the lip kits, so I thought I would obviously pick up a lipstick. I'm gonna be really interested to see how this compares to her lipsticks way back when her brand first started, because that was the only other time that I actually tried a lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics. So this is one of her newer formulas. It's also a matte lipstick, but obviously the packaging has changed, and I think the formula probably has changed too. So this is what her new lipstick packaging looks like. Obviously she still has that drip kind of theme going through it. The lipstick that I picked up is in the shade One Wish, and this is a matte lipstick. Okay, so the packaging is pretty much as I remember when they first came out, but obviously this part here I'm pretty sure was black back then. This is what the packaging looks like up close. I do have to say it's a very pretty lipstick. Also, the shade is perfect. I've been looking for this like nudie kind of peachy lipstick for ages, so I really hope this is gonna be good. First up, I'm just gonna line my lips with this Peaches and Cream lip liner. Okay, and we're now ready for the lipstick. By the way, this lipstick was £16, and then I think I had like £4 or £5 shipping on top, so it did end up being quite expensive for a matte lipstick, but hopefully the formula is gonna redeem the price, so let's apply it and see what it looks like. Okay, so that is the lipstick all applied. I have to say the formula is literally gorgeous. It doesn't feel too dry as you're applying it. Obviously it's kind of drying down now, but it still feels very, very comfortable on my lips, and the shade is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way that this looks. It really works well for like a soft glam kind of look. There's actually quite a lot of shades in this lipstick, but if you're gonna get one, get it in this one because this is really nice. So all in all, do I think that this lipstick is worth the money? Is it worth £16? I actually have to say I think it is, just because it feels very nice and not too drying on the lips, and I think that's really, really hard to come by in a liquid lipstick. It's been a long time since I've tried a matte liquid lipstick like this, so I am really, really excited about it, and I'm definitely gonna give this a massive thumbs up. So what would I rate Kylie Cosmetics out of 10? I'm gonna say it's like a solid 8. Okay, now moving on to the next Kardashian-owned brand, we're gonna be trying out Good American by Khloe Kardashian. I have to say, I didn't really know that much about Good American going into this video. I didn't really realize that it was like a successful brand. So the origin of the brand is that Khloe was always kind of labeled as like the curvier sister of the Kardashians, so she really wanted to make a brand that was size inclusive, and I'm pretty sure they started out with denim. So as I did for the Kylie Cosmetics and trying out the kind of like origin product, I thought I would do the same with Good American. So going on the website, I was actually really shocked about a lot of the styles, because I noticed that a lot of the clothing was very similar to what Skims is right now. As you guys may know, I have tried Skims quite a few times on this channel. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll link them in the eye. But basically, a lot of the time, Skims just sells out so quick. However, on Good American, a lot of the designs are similar to some of the designs from Skims that always sell out. So here is the pair of jeans that I picked up for today's video, and I wasn't too sure what size to get, so if this doesn't fit me, that will be my error. You guys may gasp at the price of this. This cost me $212 with shipping. Obviously, me living in the UK does kind of add up the costs with the shipping, because I feel like if you lived in America, you obviously wouldn't have to pay so much in shipping. Just to convert it to my UK lot, basically these were like £180, which I don't think I've ever purchased a pair of jeans that expensive. So these better be good. good. I mean, first things first, I can tell that the quality of the denim is really nice. It's very thick. It's like proper denim. So I got mine in a size US size 2. I'm pretty sure that equates to UK 8. The design of these is that they're quite like loose fitted. They're very straight leg and they have a couple of rips, which I really like this style. This is what they look like on the back. They do look kind of big. I really hope that they're going to be okay at the waist. So I guess let's try these on and see how they fit. But all I'm going to say is, Chloe, I'm counting on you, girl. All right, guys, so here are the jeans. I thought I would try them on camera. So let's pop them on and see if they even fit. I'm so nervous. This is genuinely the most expensive pair of jeans I've ever purchased from anywhere, so these better fit. Okay, it's gotten over my hips. It's looking promising. Do they fit? Oh my God. Okay, this is them. They actually fit pretty well, don't they? Okay, we've got like pretty decent space in the pockets. It's pretty fitted around the waist, which I'm very impressed about. This is what they look like from the back. We have a little bit of like excess, but it's not a lot. I mean, they look kind of cute, don't they? I really love how like relaxed they are. They're so baggy, but they are quite long. I feel like I need to grow into them. They're actually a really decent pair of jeans. I kind of wish that they didn't fit and they didn't look good, because then I wouldn't have like this dilemma whether to keep them or not. They're actually so nice. I actually really like them, but they're so overpriced. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Would you keep these or would you send these back? Be honest. They are a little bit long on me though. I don't know. Look how much like excess fabric there is at the bottom. Okay, so in terms of my rating for this brand, obviously just basing it off of these jeans, I'm gonna say that looks wise it's a 10 out of 10, obviously. But when I take into consideration the actual price that these were, they're very overpriced for a pair of jeans. So I think I'm gonna have to knock it down to probably like an 8. Okay, so moving on to the next Kardashian brand. I mean, this wouldn't be a Kardashian video if I didn't try out Skims. Now I know I've tried out Skims so much recently, especially in my other videos. Like I said, if you haven't seen those, go check them out. But I thought I would try out another dress. I think I've tried this already, but in a different color. However, I've been after this dress in white for the longest time, and I finally managed to find it on Selfridges. This dress was £90. It's called the Marble Soft Lounge long sleeve dress. I think when I first tried this out, I tried it in black, but I just really wanted to see if it would be see-through in white. Now, some of you who have been on my channel for a little while will already know that I do prefer lighter colors like this. So when I got this in black and I really liked the way it fit, I just knew I had to get it in white. So this is what the dress looks like. It's got that super wide scoop neckline. It's got a long sleeve and it's obviously ribbed. It is one of those maxi dresses, so I'm really hoping it's gonna be really nice and fitted. I actually got this in an extra small this time. I'm pretty sure last time I got it in a small, so we'll see if this fits any better. But yeah, I'm just really worried about it being see-through. I really don't want it to be see-through because it's such a stunning dress. So I guess let's pop this on and see what it's about. Okay, so here is the Skims dress and what it looks like on. I have to say, I am so impressed with the fabric. I was really worried that this was going to be see-through, obviously being white and being very like sheer and stretchy, but genuinely it is not see-through one bit. I mean, I am wearing neutral underwear underneath this, but even so, looking up close, I cannot see a thing. Last time when I got this dress in black, I did end up sending it back just because I felt like it wasn't justified and I don't wear black all that often. However, this time, I think I'm actually gonna keep it. I can see myself wearing this in white way more, especially in the summer on holiday and things like that, so I am definitely gonna keep it. It is just such a stunning silhouette. It's very flattering literally everywhere. I love the scoop neckline. I love the waist. Everything about it is just so nice. In my Skims videos, I usually say that some of the items are overpriced, but when it comes to her dresses, I feel like Kim does not miss. I genuinely don't know what kind of magic is infused in these Skims dresses, but they honestly are so well fitted every single time, so I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. All right, and now the last brand we're gonna be trying out in this video is 818 by Kendall Jenner. I have to say, this isn't the brand that I am most excited for by any means, which is probably why I put it last. It is only because I do not drink alcohol. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I've never been drunk in my life. I've been tipsy, but not drunk. I just hate the taste of alcohol. It literally tastes like drinking nail polish remover to me. And one thing's for sure, I've never drank tequila before, so I'm really scared scared. I've actually been sent this by, I think Disney Plus. It was for when the new Kardashian show came out and Disney made like this big kind of like PR parcel for a movie night in, and it had all of the Kardashian products inside. Honestly, I kind of kept it because I thought, you know what, maybe one day I'll do this video, and it is time. That time has come. I'm finally gonna try this, even though I'm probably gonna hate it. In fact, I'm probably not the best person to even be like giving you guys opinion on this because I hate alcohol. I should not have done that. Why would you drink this? Like, I'm sorry, I'm gonna level with you guys. If you guys drink tequila, why? I don't even know what you're supposed to drink tequila out of, so I'm just gonna pour it in this little glass. I'm gonna like pour the tiniest little sip because I am not getting drunk today. Cheers, guys. 3, 2, 1. Why did I do that? My throat instantly burned. It literally filled with fire. I'm sorry, that was literally horrible. It was like pouring acid into my mouth. I'm sorry, Kendall. Maybe I'm prejudiced because I don't really drink, but it's a 0 from someone that doesn't drink. I've just realized something. Are you even supposed to drink tequila neat? Or are you supposed to like mix it into stuff? Let me know in the comments. Maybe that's why it tastes so bad. But I'm just saying, neat as it is out the bottle, it is so gross. I'm giving this a 0. All right, so those are all of the Kardashian / Jenner brands I'm gonna be trying out in this video. I did really want to make like a full video trying out all the brands, such as Rob's weird sock business. I really wanted to try out the Poosh? Is it Poosh or Pooch? One of those. It's the Kourtney Kardashian like weird blog. I also really wanted to try out Kris Jenner's Safely brand, but all 3 of those brands don't ship to the UK, so I literally couldn't get my hands on them. So I hope you guys understand that. I did try out everything that I could in this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below, and also be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, let me know in the comments which one of these brands was your favorite and which one do you think is the best out of all of them. Give me like your top tier list of all the brands in like an order from top to bottom in the comments below. But that is all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!